How do I make extra payments on my car loan from Bank of America? You can make extra payments towards car loan principal using the Bank of America website. This feature is not available on the bank's mobile app. First, open the Bank of America website and log into your account. On the dashboard of your Bank of America account, you can see your accounts and balances. At the bottom, you can find the balance of your car loan. Hover over the Pay and Transfer option in the top horizontal menu. Then, in the Transfer Between My Accounts section, find the Make a Transfer option. Click on it. On the Between My Accounts transfer page, select the source account from which you want to make an extra payment. Then select the target account, which is a car loan account. Next, you can select the amount. It can be a regular payment, additional principal only, other amount, or loan payoff. Select the additional principal only option. Then you can enter the extra amount. I entered $10. Then scroll down and enter a note for yourself. Next, click Next. The final step is to review all details and click the Transfer button. Then you should see confirmation that the transfer is scheduled.